Welcome to Senior Digital. Today, we're walking you through WhatsApp on the iPhone, step by step, clear, simple, and easy to follow. We know that using modern smartphones and apps can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially for those of you over 60. That's exactly why we created this channel, to help you feel confident and comfortable with technology, one step at a time. In this video, you'll learn how to send messages with WhatsApp, how to share photos and videos, how to find the right contact in your WhatsApp list, how to make phone and video calls, and many more useful tips to help you get started. We demonstrate everything directly on the iPhone screen, so you can see exactly what to do. If you find any of these videos helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment if you have any questions. And if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in a future video, just let us know in the comments. We're here to help. Let's get started. First of all, we need to download WhatsApp. Apps can be downloaded from the so-called App Store. In the App Store, we type the name of the app, in our case, WhatsApp, into the search bar at the top. After typing the name of the app into the search bar, tap the blue search icon in the bottom right corner. Now the app we're looking for appears, and we can either download it directly by tapping the Get symbol next to the app, or, in my case, the small cloud with the downward pointing arrow, or we can tap on the name of the app to view more information about it. At the top, you'll again see the Get button or the little cloud icon. This cloud with the arrow pointing down appears if you previously had the app on your phone, deleted it, and now want to download it again. In any case, we now tap either the Get button or the cloud to download the app. Now we wait until the app has finished downloading, then tap the blue Open icon, and WhatsApp will launch. Now we first need to set up WhatsApp. We tap on Agree and Continue, whereupon a prompt appears from WhatsApp asking whether we want to receive notifications. We tap on Allow so that we can later receive messages on WhatsApp from friends and family. Now we need to enter the phone number of our smartphone in the top field. After entering the phone number, we tap the Next button and are redirected. Here, we're asked whether we've used WhatsApp before and if we want to restore deleted messages, and so on. If yes, we tap Restore, otherwise we tap Skip. After we tap Skip, we're asked again if we're sure, and then we tap Skip Restore. Now WhatsApp asks if we want to connect our contacts to the app. We tap Continue to see our contacts, and the setup continues. Then we're asked whether we want to select only certain contacts we can message on WhatsApp or all of them. Just for convenience, I would select all of them so we can communicate with everyone via WhatsApp. Now we can enter our name in the input field at the top. Once we've done that, we can tap the green plus sign to add a photo. This photo acts like our business card, so to speak. After tapping the plus sign, a menu appears where we can either take a new photo using the Take Photo button or select one from our gallery using the Choose Photo button. We tap Choose Photo and pick a picture. After selecting one, we tap Choose to add it to WhatsApp or Cancel if we want to pick a different one. Then we tap the button Done. Next, there's a request for a password manager, but this is not important for now. We can tap the X in the top right corner, then tap the Not Now button. And now we're done with the setup and can start using WhatsApp. To write to someone now, we tap the green plus sign in the top right corner, and our contact list is displayed, that is, all the people we have in our contacts and to whom we can now message on WhatsApp. Let's write a message to Frank now. To write a message, we tap the input field at the bottom and can enter our message using the keyboard. To delete letters or words, we tap the delete button on the right. Each tap deletes one letter, or more can be deleted by holding it down. If you tap the smiley button next to the keyboard, the emoji menu opens. There you can choose from a variety of smileys and characters to send to your conversation partner. To select an emoji that you want to send, simply tap it and it will automatically appear in the input field. Then, to send the complete message, tap on the green arrow on the right-hand side and your message will be sent. Up here, we see a telephone receiver icon and a video camera icon. If we tap the telephone receiver, we can make free calls via the app. While making a call, you can press the volume up button so that others can hear the conversation, or tap the microphone button to mute yourself so the other person can't hear you. You can end the call by pressing the red button. If you tap the camera icon, you can start a video call in which you can see the person you are talking to, and they can see you too. You can also use the volume button or the mute button during a video call. And to end the call, simply tap the red button again. If you tap the white plus sign to the left of the chat input field, a few functions appear. One of them is the photo icon. If you tap it, you can send photos and videos to your conversation partner. After tapping the photo icon, your gallery will open, and you can scroll up and down to view all your photos and videos. To select one or more, simply tap on them. If you want to deselect one, just tap it again. To send the selected photos or videos to your conversation partner, tap the green arrow button on the right. Another function is the camera icon, and if we tap on it, we can take a photo or record a video directly. I am now taking a photo of my floor, for example. To send the photo to our conversation partner, we tap the green arrow button again. Another function is that we can send our exact location to our conversation partner. To do this, we tap the location icon. The first time, WhatsApp asks for permission, and we first tap OK, then Settings. We're automatically redirected to the settings, where we tap Location and then select Always. After that, we go back to WhatsApp. Then we can choose whether we want to send our live location, meaning the conversation partner can see exactly where we are, even if we move. You can set the live location to be shared for 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Once we've selected a time, we tap the green arrow icon again to send our live location to the conversation partner. If we tap the location icon again, we can also choose to send only our current location. We do this by selecting the option, Send your current location. The next function we'll look at is the contact icon. When you tap it, your phone's contact list opens. You can select one or more contacts to send to your conversation partner by tapping on the names. To send them, tap Next in the top right corner, and then tap Send in the top right corner again. If we tap the microphone icon at the bottom right and slide it upwards while holding it, we can record and send a voice message, allowing us to speak directly to our conversation partner. To send it, we tap the green arrow button again. If we want to delete the message before sending it, we tap the small trash can on the left. But be careful. If you just hold down the microphone button without sliding your finger upwards and then release it, the message will be sent immediately. But I think the easiest way is to simply hold down the microphone icon. You just need to keep it pressed while you speak and record your message. To send it, just release the microphone icon. You can send as many voice messages as you like. Just hold down the microphone icon again each time and release it to send. If we tap on the small icon to the right of the chat input field, another menu opens. Among other things, we can send so-called GIFs there by tapping on the small GIF symbol. This opens the GIF menu, in which we can scroll up and down to browse through hundreds of GIFs. We can also type something into the search box by tapping the magnifying glass icon and writing something in the input field, for example, "Hey," and only GIFs related to "Hey" will be displayed. To send a GIF, simply tap on it and it will be sent automatically. If we tap on the white arrow symbol in the top left corner, we leave the chat and return to the main WhatsApp menu. In the main menu, we can see, among other things, all the chats we've started with other people. If we now tap the green plus sign in the top right corner, the contact list opens again and we can select another person to write to. At the top left, we tap the white arrow icon again to leave the chat and return to the main menu. If we tap the handset icon at the bottom of the main menu, we can see our call list, meaning all the calls we've made or received. If someone has tried to call us, we can also see that there. If we tap the updates icon at the bottom, we're taken to the groups menu. There, we can join a group by tapping follow next to the name to read messages or news about a particular topic or company. When we tap it for the first time, WhatsApp asks for permission again. To open the group chat, we tap on the group name and the chat with all the messages opens. At the top left, we can go back again by tapping the arrow icon. If we tap the chat icon at the bottom, we return to the main menu where all our chats are displayed. At the bottom, we tap on the settings icon to open the settings menu. There, among other things, we can change our photo by tapping on our name and then selecting Edit under our photo. Our photos are displayed again, and we can select one. I choose the photo of my floor. If we press on our name, we can delete and change it. In the settings menu, there are other things you can change, like privacy and so on, but normally you don't have to change them. If we click on the chat icon at the bottom, we will return to the main menu. That's it for today with our video, WhatsApp on the iPhone. We will make another video on how to use WhatsApp on another device. I hope you enjoyed it. If this video was helpful and you want to see more of such videos, please like the video and share it with your friends and family. And subscribe to our channel to never miss a video. That would also help us to produce more of such videos for you. Thanks a lot and see you soon.